There's only one way to start the day. So today is another busy day at the shop. I've got to go down this morning. I've got 2 people booked in this morning at the shop, so they shall be 10 o'clock and 1 o'clock. I've got to unpack the bookshelf and I've got to have a bit of a practice because I'm playing golf tomorrow at 10 past 10. First time in 8 weeks. Like most of the other people who have not played for that time. Some went and played yesterday, which was good for them. Some will be playing today. I'll be playing tomorrow. So I'm going to get some practice in the simulator later on this afternoon. But first things first is get down there and just keep doing what I'm doing. Get this shop ready. So it's a studio and it's then a fitting centre. So off to the shop. Right, busy morning. It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon already. Been really busy this morning. So now it's time to start getting some order in the shop. So I'm going to unbox my bookshelf, do a bit of tidying up, and then I need to get into the simulator and practice because I'm playing golf tomorrow at 10 past 10. And I need to swing some clubs and get this swing back in order, ready to play some golf. So let's get this bookshelf unpacked and let's get this built. There we go, all done, ready for stuff to go on it. Right, I think that's enough building for one day. I think all I'm going to do now is get in the simulator, have half an hour's practice, and get ready to go and play golf tomorrow. I think can't really do much more apart from tidying up, so I'll probably come in over the weekend and tidy up, but otherwise just waiting for stuff to arrive now. I seem to be hitting it really well, which is really good considering. A bit tiring now, it's hot in here, summer's coming, fans are on, so yeah, getting really hot. I think I'm going to leave it here today. It's getting late, I'm getting a bit tired, so I'm going to go home, grab something to eat because I've not eaten yet, see what parcels have turned up, and get myself ready for golf tomorrow, which will be really exciting. I will take my phone as a camera and a tripod just to get some shots, but I just want to really enjoy the game of golf. But it's a daily vlog, so we must video everything. So I'm going to head home now. So Vicky's found something in the woods, yeah. Didn't you? And you thought, I know what I'll do.
It was too close to the main road though. Like,
I'll bring it home.
It was too close to the main road and the dog wouldn't leave it alone.
So what have we brought back?
Big bird.
We brought back...
Don't scare it.
A bird. Vicky has decided to bring back a bird. And we've got no idea what type of bird it is. It's just a bird.
Oh, he's so cute. I don't want to hurt. I don't want to. I don't know what to do. I just want to find his mom. It's impossible.
Do go out and shout, "Mummy!" So, answers on a postcard. What do you do with the little baby bird that you find?
God, put him back. I'm gonna get hit by...
Where was it? On the floor?
Yeah. Bosun won't leave him alone.
I don't know, we'll have to find the RSPCA out, see what they say.
Oh God, he's so cute.
But we can't keep it because it's a wild bird. You can't just keep birds, babes.
I was hoping that he'd get to know me and he'd be fine with me.
You just want another pet, don't you?
Just live in the garden and I'll call him, he'll come to me.
You just want another pet, don't you?
He's so cute. No, I want him to be safe. I don't know what to do. I'm scared for him.
Right, we'll find the RSPCA out.
Yeah.
So after Vicky stole the bird...
I didn't steal him.
So she stole the bird.
I mean, I didn't, because I already feel so flipping bad and guilty.
Well, it was near the road, so you just... Instead of doing the normal thing and putting it back in the woods, near to where you found it, you thought you'd bring it home. I don't know what you wanted us to do with it. So we're back in the woods, and we're going to go and try and find something nearby that resembles where it might have come from to put the bird back to its house.
That's what it says to you on the internet.
Well, yeah, so that's what we spoke to. That's what it says to do on the RSPCA website. We gave them a quick call, and that's what they suggested we do, because it's not a nestling, it's a fledgling. They say to just put it back at a safe place. So we're going to go as close to where we found it, but nowhere near the road, and hopefully duck. It's cute. So it can clearly hear its mom because it's making loads of noise now.
Yeah, okay.
So we're going to put it back, and hopefully, yeah, you can hear it now. So we're going to put it back here because it's making lots of noise.
Oh, you don't want to leave me, look.
We're not keeping it.
You don't want to leave me. Is your mum around here, darling? It's up there.
Put him up there.
No, because it's too high up, is it not?
We'll just put him back down.
Bye, darling. Bye, darling.
It'll find its way back. See?
Oh, God.
There it is, it's off.
It's down here. Mum. There you are. Please come find him.
This is what happens when you get with someone who loves animals. Right, we've got to leave him now.
Just say goodbye, Lee.
We'll say goodbye now.
Oh God, say goodbye back. Are you going to be okay? I'll come back tomorrow and check on you. Oh, he's talking to me. Right, let's just make sure you're all okay in there. A little nest or something. Okay, just some little sticks there. Oh,
It's gone. Right, just leave him alone now.
Right, okay. I'll come check on him tomorrow.
So we've put the bird back. It's close to where it was making loads of noise, and it's ran off somewhere, so it's clearly near its house after Vicky stole it.
I didn't mean to. I thought I was doing the right thing.
Tell him what you wanted to do. You wanted him to go and buy a cage, didn't you?
No, well, no, because it's cool. It's cool, but I just wanted him to like get to know me, and then he'd be part of the family, and he'd be happy.
You can't just go around stealing birds.
But I didn't steal him.
I know it was from up there. It's near the road, and you brought it back to where it was making noise, and it's clearly found its. Ow! Fucking Bosun and his sticks. Taking my legs out.
Watch your leg.
Here he comes, look. Trashing the stick.
I just wanted what was best for him, that was all.
Finished? So now we're going to just walk back home. What are we cooking?
Having fish tonight.
Fish. Having fish.
I
So,
just wanted what was best for him. I hope he's found his mom. I'll come back and check on him tomorrow.
So, I give up. This is why we have so many pets. Squeak for carers, Bo says. Squeak then. Bo says squeak. Squeak for carers. Good boy. Good boy. Squeaky squeak for the carers.